What is Adobe Premiere Pro? Adobe Premiere Pro, a non-linear video editing program used to capture, edit, and incorporate video into multimedia applications. What is the use of Adobe Premiere Pro? Overview of Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere is a video editing software package suitable for both amateur enthusiasts and professionals. It can be purchased and used alone or alongside other applications such as Adobe Photoshop, After Effects, etc. Downloading Adobe Premiere Pro free trial. By following this link, you will be able to have an option to experience the free trial of this particular software. Visit Adobe website and look under products and select Premiere, and then click on free trial and download the software. The link is also available under descriptions. Exploring the steps of video editing. The following link has a tutorial available. We can very well utilize this to learn. The link is also available in descriptions. Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials. The links gives you the tutorials, also available under description. So how can you use Premiere Pro? You can use Premiere Pro for anything related to video editing, gaming videos, short films, full-length films, tutorial videos. Yes, even for Premiere Pro, anything you desire that needs a little hard editing with Premiere Pro, you have a lot of options to use for it. So can you memorize what is Adobe Premiere? A non-linear video editing program used to capture, edit, and incorporate video into multimedia applications. For inspiration, where do new ideas come from? The answer is simple: differences. Creativity comes from unlikely juxtapositions. By Nicholas Negroponte. Thank you.